Welcome back. Once again, a beautiful night out there. First alert weather day Thursday, just about done with that. It was really because of the blowing snow, the wind, which we saw today. Now, got first alert weather day, 2 more coming. Want to start though by talking about our free car wash Friday forecast. We are starting on our Thursdays. PetroServe USA. All you got to do, go in tomorrow, get at least 8 gallons of gas. You do that, you get a free car wash. What a great time to do it. We're in between systems tomorrow morning. So we got the snow, we got the wind out of the way. It's not till Friday, late, early Saturday that the next round of snow comes for some areas across the region. Take a look. Moderate snowfall, that is going to be the big story there. Let's talk more about this again. Moderate snow pushing through central and southern areas Friday evening and Saturday. The farther south you are, I think the more snow you are going to see. North Dakota, South Dakota border, Red River Valley, the southern half, as well as Lakes Country. Very poor visibility, very tricky roads to travel as well. So we take a look at our forecast. Going to go to about 7 p.m. Friday. We're just starting to see that snow enter the region. Notice the darker colors. That's where you have the better chance to see the moderate to even heavier snow. Moves as far north as Fargo, a little bit even farther north than that. But again, I think for Fargo, Moorhead, an inch, maybe a little bit more. You start getting in toward that border, North Dakota, South Dakota line, state line there. What you're going to get is 3+ inches, maybe 4, maybe 5. Going to keep an eye on that for you. Again, you're farther north. Grand Forks, not really expecting any snow out of this system. Northwest Minnesota, Devil's Lake Basin, no. Here's a look at our snow totals. This is our HRRR forecast model. This is the one we're leaning with. We're going toward, and that actually pushes the snow a little bit farther north than a couple of the other ones. So again, Fargo, Moorhead, an inch or 2. Sisseton could see 3, 4, 5 inches of snowfall. We look at our weather model comparison just to kind of give you an idea. A graph model that's not the one we're going to go with, but it does show lighter amounts. So again, keeping an eye on that for you. Obviously, we'll have this a little more streamlined as we get into tomorrow and tomorrow evening. Because of that scheduled snow, we've got a winter weather advisory 3 p.m. tomorrow through 9 a.m. Saturday. Oaks, Ellendale, part of that region. Again, 3 to 5 inches in those areas. Potentially, we look at the area shaded in yellow. So winter storm watch, same thing. Snowfall potential 3 to 6 inches. Very poor travel conditions, potentially late tomorrow afternoon through Saturday morning. Right now it's 10 degrees, feels like 5 below. Moorhead coming in at 10 degrees as well. For Grand Forks, also 10. Feels like 8 below, but a pretty sky out there this evening. Take a look at our first alert forecast. And again, we're going to continue to see winds out of the west, but they are going to slacken up. In fact, by tomorrow morning, winds are very light out there. Temperatures right around 0 to just below. Then we'll warm up tomorrow afternoon into the teens. You start to see that snow come into the picture in those southern areas by late afternoon, early evening. Lows tomorrow, or temperatures tomorrow, 9 a.m., single digits. Looking at mid-teens out there as we head toward the afternoon. And it just stays cold. Again, we got the chance for snow late Friday, early Saturday in those southern regions. Sunday going to be a dry day, 11 below and 12. And then we stay below 0. In fact, Tuesday, Wednesday, 20 below and 15 below in Fargo. I know the high temperatures in the single digits, 16 below on Thursday. Valentine's Day, 4 below, 10 above for the high. Could see a little bit of snow, but it's a little bit of a warm up on next Friday, all the way up to 10.
Reminder, those are air temperatures. Those are wind chills.
Yes, that's not water.
It'll feel colder.
Yes, exactly.
Great that you pointed that out, Justin. Wonderful.